Good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday and we've got one of the biggest days to ride. So we're doing 100 miles and about 2,500 meters elevation, going over 3 fairly big cols. One of those being titled, I think it's called Death Ride through the Californian Alps. It is massive. I think it's like 15k, so it is going to be quite a long climb. I think we're about to set off, so I'm going to go. It is cold, it's probably like -2, there's ice on the cars, so it is chilly. So I want to have the thick gloves on and we're going to set off. So I'll see you along the route. I'm just going to introduce you all. It's a lovely Matt.
Hi.
And so Matt, basically, well you tell them, how much riding have you actually done before?
So this was when we started this on Sunday, that was my 3rd time on a road bike. And I've probably done maybe clocked up 50 miles before that. I am loving it. I'm kind of becoming slightly addicted and I kind of want to do more when I get home.
For me, for people that watch my channel, know the riding that I do, and these are big days for me even.
Yeah.
So for someone that is not even used to it, I've got so much respect for you. You came back yesterday just like, oh my God, what have I signed up for?
It was very much like that, but it's the people are getting me through it. The people were just very supportive of each other, and it's just, that's what pushes you up the hill, and you don't want to let anyone down either back home. Equally don't I know there's no pressure from anyone back home, but for me, I want to do my best and make everyone proud.
You absolutely will. Yes, bro!
Yes!
Yes, let's go!
Let's do it!
Amazing, Matt. I can't wait to get you at the end where you're like, yes, we did
yes!
it! We did it!
Streams of tears down my face.
Yes.
My mascara's running.
So, this is the first climb of the day. And this feels like an actual proper mountain pass. And I might sound jolly and upbeat now. However, that first hour of riding was -5. -5 degrees. It was freezing. I wanted to cry. I think Elle had a couple of little tears as well. And it was just like, what? It's just so cold.
It's been so long since you was running, always running with me.
I love these roads. They are just phenomenal.
Never come along, now you never wanna follow.
Well done, Elle. Thanks. How you feeling?
Alright, I'm so glad it's getting warmer now because it was
4 degrees.
It's 4 degrees. We're in plus figures.
And now we go to the loo. The most perfect loo.
It's
in the world.
time.
Listen, so good for what you want from me. Why don't you come over here, no, right here with me? Never mind, I guess I'll follow.
So we're at the base of a 15 to 17k climb, which is about 6% average, and it's called the Death Ride in the Californian Alps. And I've got it's so hot now, and I've just got this on, and I'm gonna sweat like mad going up it. So have you all your body parts warmed up now?
I think so. The last baby toe is just coming into. Hasn't fallen off.
You offered earlier on to cool some people's drinks down with a certain part of your body.
Yes. Oh yes. The special ice cube. No, exactly.
So this is where we start the climb. You can't hear it, it's so quiet. So Elle's got on for us. PJ Duncan! My favourite song.
Come on, monitor pass, let's get ready to rumble.
We've gone from -5 this morning. It's now 25 degrees. And all I've worn is this, all I've got with me is a fleece. I did have a jersey in one of the cars, but the car wasn't there at the stop, and I'm like, oh. So do I sweat with a fleece on, or should I just take the fleece off and just ride in a sports bra? I don't want to get burnt now. First world problems. But I mean, I'd rather it be warm than it was cold this morning, because this is just absolutely on another planet. So about, I don't even know how far we're up the climb, maybe like 5k maybe, so another 10 to go. Come on night! Woo, woo, woo!
Whoa, this is it.
This is the top and then it's just downhill from here. I love the expletives. Yeah, but look where we are. It's long, isn't it?
Fucking too long. I'd pass out. Your first aid. Resuscitation and all that.
We made it! We made it! Oh my gosh! I'm trying to think of better ways to say, look at this amazing view, and I just can't. I was thinking on climbing up, thinking, how else can I describe how good the views are? And I just don't think there's another way of saying it, just other than just showing you. So I want to turn around now, and you're going to see this incredible view. Oh god, it's so good. One sec. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Look at that. Just mountains. Scenic route, California, 89. Like, this is how I imagine like California and like American roads to look. Obviously, because that's how they do look, because I've seen them in the films and stuff, but you know what I mean. But to actually like experience them firsthand is just very, very, very special. So Elle has just ridden the longest climb she's ever done.
This is true. That
I just want to
was.
see how you felt, because I think it is amazing, and I think you have done really, really well.
Yeah,
So
that
well
was
done.
hard. Really hard. Especially when it was kicking out at like 10% a lot of the time. We just had to keep going, and like getting to the top just felt awesome. Like it was really tight on my chest. I wasn't expecting that. I think like the altitude just kind of really got to me. Felt a little bit emotional at the top, and I was definitely hangry. Definitely hungry. Feeling good now.
You did it. You've been worried about it, and like, what was it to worry
Exactly. There
about?
wasn't anything to worry about. I can do it, and I've got some more to do.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Let's go. I just say, I'm so excited. I finally got my jersey back on. I was sweating so bad in that fleece. So now I got my jersey on, and then we've got about, some people are stopping, some people are carrying on. We've got another 600 metre climb and about, I don't know how many K. Quite a long climb, but only very gradual. So it's all good. Top my water up. The weather's beautiful. All is well in the world. And I'm riding my bike, so what could go wrong? Actually, I shouldn't say that. Let's just go on and have a nice, steady, nice ride back home. Got a flat, but look at the view behind. It's pretty nice.
We were doing so well.
So well. I had one before we set off, and now I've got one on the way home.
We're still two for the amount we've done,
Yeah.
and how hot it is and the pressure changes. They were alright.
So because they're tubeless, they're an absolute nightmare. So it's taking two engineers
From Bristol Atlantic.
to get this to get this monster back on.
Could be ex-engineers soon.
Katie, so I've just fixed my tyre.
Did you fix it?
No, well, these guys fixed it. What's just happened?
Flat.
Right, see you later.
We're almost going to hit 2,000 metres, and for Elle that's the biggest like climbing day she's ever had. So I'm going to wait for her in a second and have a massive celebration, because when you do your first 1,000 metres it's a massive deal. When you do your first 2,000 metres it is huge. So let's wait and celebrate. Elise, my dear, you've climbed 2,000 metres!
Holy crap! I definitely feel like I've done 2,000 metres.
Amazing job! How'd you feel?
Dead? Is that allowed?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I'm pretty exhausted. Yeah, I think I'm sort of succumbed to the fact I'm not going to make another 40k. But
Mother, you have hit
it's still the
2,000
biggest
metres,
day I've ever done.
and that is absolutely freaking amazing. I've been looking for ages, like waiting for it to go to 2,000. Like, can't wait to celebrate.
I've got it as 8.4k till rest up. I think that's when I call it a day.
Amazing job. You've done so well.
Thanks for sticking with me.
Always. Come on, a bit of an Audax. So I've done about 140k, about 20k to go, and I just love this time of day. If you've seen my Audax videos, you know this is my favourite time of day. The sun is setting and it's just so, I just love it. And especially like when you can see sunset behind those mountains. Let me zoom in out for you. You can see. How beautiful is that?